0-0. Zeros. Yes, the lift. Zeros. Side out. Zeros. Second serve. Ole, ball coming on, Sheikh. Over the wall. Zeros.
This is bad for this is bad for I went through three.
Warning?
I have to give him a warning.
Warning. He walked into me while I was shooting.
As long as he doesn't break the line, no, I didn't call nothing. I gave him a warning. He didn't call nothing, it's cool. Let's go. If he doesn't break the line, his foot could be on the line. Once his foot breaks the line, it's over. 0-0. Second serve. Is it wet?
Yeah, here, please.
Zeros.
Swing, you're running. 1-0, it's okay.
1-0.
Yo, watch it, man.
You need him to move back?
Yeah, he almost hit him.
2-0. Yes.
Thank you. We set. Let's get it.
Second server, right? I'll volley him all day.
2-0. Zero. Locks, making the wall.
Hit him man hard in the back. Quit.
3-0.
Way out. Not even close. Don't worry about it.
4-0.
Let's go. 4 points
Mike,
up.
right
Let's
here.
go. We got lots of break. First match.
First server, Jose, score is 0-4.
Look at that.
Zero, 4. 4-0.
Sheikh, stay with me, consistency, all the way.
4-0.
Outside! That's a big error! Take it easy.
5-0.
Score is 5-0.
Nice shot, Sheikh.
0-5. Yes. First one's not a hold it. That's a hold it.
But he moved into his shot.
I told you what it was.
Thank you.
If I don't say anything, you keep playing. Let's go. The second one, you got it. Score is 0-5.
Johnny boy, he's fucking sweaty already. It's the shirt or gloves you guys gotta do. I'm prepared right now. I'm prepared. I'm gonna run them all up, bro. You guys know it.
You're gonna be excited.
No shit, bro. Very fucking sweaty. These guys is fucking.
Second service, 0-5. Yep.
Good volley, guys. Good volley.
0-5.
That's your fucking savior, guys? Let's go. First server, guys.
5-0.
Under.
6-0.
White.
Yeah, tell your partners to
see
fucking
the
ball
ball?
out, bro.
No, it's a white. Jeremy. It's only a white. 10 seconds. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Ball's wet. Ball's good.
Ball's dry.
Stop.
Score is 6-0. Side out.
Wake up! You guys gotta wake up!
Score is 0-6.
That's it, Galindo! It's over!
Let me see it. Score is 1-6.
Let's go!
Let me see it.
He's wet?
Only because the eyes to see because he hit his ankle.
But is he wet though?
That's not 2-6. call it and I can agree, but 9 times out of 10, I know what a skip says. You can call it. If I disagree, I'll just stop the ball and ask for an appeal, and then we'll do a take 2 if anything.
Do I have to call it?
If you feel it's a skip and I don't see it's a skip, you can call it. But if I see it's a skip, I'm going to call it. Score is 3-6. Score is 6-7-3. You have 1 fault.
That was a long.
That's 1 fault.
Let's go, man.
You taking a wipe?
White.
Please call it. Don't walk off. All right, guys, let's go. Ball's in play. Second server. Score is 6-3. You have 1 serve.
Got it, hold it.
Oh, let's go. Let's get it. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Just take that call. There's no fucking bell on course right here, y'all.
He moved. I called you before I hit.
We're living in 2 different timelines.
Was a ball. He
You
moved.
tell yourself that. He did move.
No block. Point.
He moved.
Take the score, because I don't got extra time.
It's
The son and me don't go like that.
Doesn't matter. He moved.
It's all right, Sheikh. Don't worry about it, man.
Say something, Lauren.
And what did they call?
Ready, guys? Ball's in play. Score is 7-3.
Look out! Move that!
Score is 3-7.
Just because he's yelling doesn't mean he's hitting hard. Come on.
No. Stupid ass shit.
Here's my nutcracker. Ready, guys? First server. Score is 4-7.
Yeah, tell Jose dry his hands. Tell Jose too. No shirt over here. But tell him too, come on. Just get ball during the volley, we take that point, no? Yo, if I take my shirt off, I'm gonna be worse than all of them.
So you take your shirt off, you're gonna hurt everybody's vision, but it's up to you. Ready? Score is still 4-7.
Thank you.
4-7. You have 1 fault. 1 serve.
Outside, boy.
Get out! Get out!
First time out, when we're back in, it's first server, 7-4. Ready? Lineman, you ready? Score is, sorry, I got a belch. 7 serving, 4. 1 fault.
Suck your belly in, bro.
Let's go, Sheikh. Let's go. Let's go.
Second server. 7-4.
We got you and what?
Yeah.
Drink some water, bro.
Wait, the ball's wet.
Let me see that ball, Jay. Is it wet? It's not wet. Let's go. 7-4.
Fast play right there, baby.
Stay patient.
Jay.
Attack that left. Move that ball
Let me
around.
see
Stay
it. Hit your
patient.
ankle. Let me see it.
He's not pulling trigger. He's waiting for that.
Second server. Score is 8-4.
Yo, let's get the fuck out. Tongue dry, Sam,
Nothing I can do on the
bro.
volley.
Who's that?
It did not sit out.
Come on, bro.
Score is 4-8. You have 1 fault. Serve.
Sorry, E.
Okay, he's letting the ball.
If it's wet, let me see it.
Yo, Germ, I told on you. I told on you, bro. You're gonna move you around and you're gonna be tired.
5-8.
Come on, baby. Come on. He's wiping your hands. Eugene, wipe your hands.
Can he wipe his hands out?
Everyone, not just one. You guys don't play that ball.
Thank you. It's talent. It's not awareness. It's talent. I'm gonna try him anyway.
Whatever the fuck he put on the ball, it worked. But his hands were dry. Score is 5-8.
That ball's still down. Hold on. I punched it. You got the ball.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Yeah, you know, like extra time, bro.
Let's go. Let's go. Five eight. I mean 8-5.
Nice,
Out.
Jose.
Low, man.
We're done.
8-5.
Say something, man.
I just nodded my head. I don't gotta say nothing.
You're the ref. I'm playing it out.
It's a block. Because if he's swinging, you can't go and set a pick in front of him. You have to stay in back lane.
Come on, ref. I'm wasting my energy. Come on.
Now you gotta talk to your partner for doing that. Score is 8-5.
Hold it. Backswing.
Hit him for last place. The ball hit him. He hit him.
Backswing.
The ball hit him.
The
No,
backswing.
the ball hit him. The ball hit him, bro. He for last place. The ball hit him.
I didn't touch the
I
ball.
swear to God, the ball hit him, bro.
If I missed and hit the ball, totally different.
Shut the fuck up. Ball hit him.
If I missed and he hit the ball with his body, then it's a counter backswing. That's a down. How many times I got fucked with that ball?
What is that?
That's the point.
That's down.
One down. One down.
Let's go. Stay down already. Let's go.
He's first server. He was first server. That's a down. I
Go. Left side.
Yeah, he served. No, I'm second server. He was serving.
Go, Jeremy, stop.
No, he served. He served.
Side out.
I'll remind you.
Side out.
Thank you.
Side out.
Yo, we got one server, two server, bro. Check I'm calling
Get it
time
out.
out.
Get it
I
out.
just asked my reps. I just asked my reps. You were serving down.
You sure? You sure?
Positive. First server scores 5-8.
Disgusting. Let's go.
Score is 6-8.
Let's fucking go. Run him up.
Let me see the rock.
Hold it. White.
Rock. Let me see the rock.
Hit the crack. Stop drinking.
Let's go, Sheikh. First man. 7-8.
Outside, baby. You know what to go for. Good job.
Hit the crack. Shot the ball.
7-8.